Hello and welcome to Alpha English. I'm teacher Amanda. In this video, we will learn 100 household objects in English. Let's begin in the living room. Sofa, armchair, picture, coffee table, TV remote, lamp. Fireplace, rug, plug socket, TV cabinet, clock, vase. The bedroom. Bed, pillow, mattress, wardrobe, dressing table, comb. Window, bedside table, alarm clock, poster, light switch, stereo, radiator. In the kitchen, refrigerator, oven, stove, kitchen counter, cupboard, toaster, kettle, microwave. Utensils, frying pan, saucepan, dishwasher, oven mitt, blender, scales. In the dining room, table, chair, glass, plate, candle. Bowl, fork, knife, spoon, chopsticks, napkin. In the bathroom, mirror, toilet, toilet brush, toilet paper, sink, bathtub, soap, bath mat. Shower, shower curtain, towel, toothbrush, toothpaste, medicine. In the study, desk chair, desk, filing cabinet, bookshelf, calendar, printer, computer, keyboard, mouse, telephone, notebook, pen, headphones. The cleaning cupboard, vacuum cleaner, mop, bucket, bin, broom, spray bottle, feather duster, dustpan, sponge. In the basement, boiler, washing machine, tools, laundry, torch, In the garden. Wheelbarrow. Rake. Lawnmower. Watering can. Greenhouse. Barbecue. Well done, you did great! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Alpha English for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.